Moondrop has officially released their second edition CHU earphone. Now, this is the Moondrop CHU II, an upgrade to the original CHU earphone that they released, I would say 2 years ago. It could even be longer than 2 years ago. But when the original CHU came out, I would say it was a moderate hit. It wasn't really amazing by any stretch, but I think it was successful for what it was when it came out. It was a very budget oriented earphone with a dynamic driver. It had aluminum shells. This new one still has the same aluminum magnesium alloy shell, but the difference this time is that the driver has been improved. So you're getting a new 10mm high performance dynamic driver in here this time. It's also been retuned. One thing the original CHU was lacking was bass. I complained about that earphone's bass. The bass performance on the original CHU was non-existent. Like, there was nothing to write home about in the bass department. Now, this is a new earphone. I do not know yet if they've improved the bass performance. This just came out, I think, yesterday. So there's a chance that the bass might be improved. There's a chance it might still not have been improved. But one thing Moondrop always does is that they follow this Harman target tuning for their earphones, and they stick to it. They don't change. They don't deviate. They just stick to that. And what it does is that it hampers the bass performance on their earphones. That's just the problem I've always had with Moondrop earphones over the years, and I don't think this is an exception. But it's a very good earphone. I like what I'm seeing. There's been a bit of an improvement. Another thing here is that the original CHU didn't have a detachable cable. It didn't have a detachable cable, and this was a problem when it did come out. This has been improved. You're getting a detachable cable with this one, even though the cable is coming with doesn't really look so good. So once you get it, you might have to upgrade the cable immediately and put something better, something that you might appreciate better. That's the way I see it. The other thing you look at is the impedance. The impedance on this is 18 ohms. It has a 119 decibels of sensitivity. It's easy to drive to an extent, so you will enjoy using it with just your smartphone. Another thing you look at is the frequency response on it. It is 15 hertz. It goes down to 15 hertz in terms of bass and extends to 38 kilohertz. The problem with CHU generally, the original CHU, was bass. I think the sound quality on it was very good. It was a very revealing set. I would even say maybe they were targeting it to be a neutral set, but in the process made it almost a bright set, because the original CHU was very bright. Not many people, even myself included, like bright earphones. It's not something I appreciate. I like bright earphones. I like earphones that I can enjoy bass, quality thumping bass. I don't like bright, annoying earphones. This set would probably be a success if it sells very well to the audience, and just maybe people that don't want to spend a lot of money on earphones in general. It will probably be a success to them. Price tag isn't too bad. It's about $20 in the price tag department. It's still reasonably affordable. I do believe many people can get their hands on it. I don't feel it's beyond many people's reach. A lot of people will be able to afford it if they try to get it, and at $20, I think it's a price tag a lot of people can afford and not have any concerns using this long term. I think it's something a lot of people will consider and look at and even test. You know, when you buy a $20 earphone, you have to test and see if it compares to other budget sets. If you've already tried other earphones within your reach, that's the thing. So the details for it, especially the stores you'll be able to buy it from, will be down in the description if you want to have a look at Moondrop's new CHU II. I suspect this will probably be a successful set. I think it will be a successful set. But time will tell. Time will tell in terms of the tuning and every other thing. Time will tell if it is actually a successful set. So I will drop details for everyone to check down below. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. Follow us here on YouTube. I'll drop all the details every every stores. You'll be able to get it if you're interested in acquiring this earphone. Like our content, and also do share the video. I'll see you guys very much next time.